You are preparing for TCF exam, you must master verbs, how to conjugate verb in different tenses. So in this video, I'm going to take my time and explain something about verb. My name is Coach Judoni. Don't let us waste time. Let us start right now. So you can see it on your screen when we have present tense here. This is present, and here what we have craned. That's a verb we are going to conjugate in different tenses. So we have craned, which is to fear in English. So in present tense, what will be craned in present tense, or how we're going to conjugate craned in present tense? Look at the sentence aujourd'hui. So whenever you see aujourd'hui in a sentence, that means today. So your verb must be in present tense. Then you have here je. Then you have the verb craindre to conjugate. So we need to put it here. So I will come down here and write it. So I've write craindre, and then I will take it and see if it's correct. Wow, it's correct. You understand? So let me leave this stage and then move to quiz. Voila. So this one will be more better. You can see aujourd'hui, this is what I did. Click on craindre. That's it. Check it is correct. Then you come to hier. So when something happened yesterday, that is past tense. So you must know that we have imparfait and passé composé. So imparfait is when the action is still going on in the past. You must understand that. Imparfait is when the action is still moving on, is still happening in the past. Then when you come to passé composé, that means the thing has happened. It has happened and stopped in the past. You understand? So I'm gonna make a video to explain these two tenses, passé composé and imparfait. I'm gonna make a video about that. But for now, let us focus on this. You have passé composé here. Then when you want to conjugate craindre au passé composé, what will that be? So hier, nous, look at it here, nous avons craignions, nous avons craigné, et puis craignons. Ici, avons craint. So this is the correct one. Nous avons craint. Submit answer. That's it. Now let's go to imparfait. Now, autrefois, tu, then this is tu. Don't forget, the subject is very important because when you come to this place, you see you have nous. So my conjugation must based on what? Based on the subject. You understand? So the verb must agree with the subject. Very, very important. So you have here tu. So tu imparfait with craindre, that will be what? Tu craignais. Voilà. Tu craignais. Voilà. Vous voyez? That's it. So let's come down here. Future. This is future. That's a demain. Something that is going to happen is in the future tense. So let us take the subject, which is il. That is they. So what would that be in future tense? They will fear. In French is what? Ils. Est-ce que c'est craindront ou bien craindront ou bien craignez ou bien avant vous craignez? So craindront. Verify. That is it. So let us make a mistake. For this tense which is conditionnel, very, very important. You must master conditionnel. Very, very important for people that are going for TCF exam. You understand? So let us make a mistake here. So we have si je pouvais, je. So the subject is je. Subject is je. So with crains, it will be what? Est-ce que c'est craindon ou bien craignons ou bien craindre ou bien craindrait, like you see. Now these two that's down here, crain, if you look at the end, you have A-I-S. This one's A-I. So what's the difference? This is craindre. Why is it craindre? You see the difference? It's craindre, craindre. So the correct answer is craindre. That is conditionnel. This is future. but let me select future and check, you see, wrong, and it show me the correct answer. You understand? Alright, so let's move to number 6. This is subjonctif présent. Now, il est capital que vous. You see, whenever you see que, that means the subject, the verb that will follow must be in subjunctive. You don't need to forget that. If you're in B1, B2, those are things you need to put your mind on. When you see que, in front of que, any verb that will follow that will be in subjunctive. Okay, so we have crained here, and the subject is vous. What will that be in subjunctive? Let's think. You have craignez, craignez, craigne, et puis craignez. Yes. Okay, let's pick craignez. Voilà, craignez, que vous craignez. Right? Alright, so for the rest, because of time, I don't want my video to be too long. The other thing I want to show you, so you can do that and check the answer till you get to the last one, to number 10. And have quiz down here. You have quiz. Here. You see, you have quiz here. So first one is choisissez la bonne conjugaison de craindre au présent pour la personne je. Excusez-moi, je. So pour je, avant je crains. Donc c'est comme ça vous pouvez choisir la bonne réponse jusqu'à la fin, et puis vous avez cliqué sur submit answer, then you see the correct answer. So what I'm just saying is that when it comes to conjugation and then you are finding it difficult to master conjugation, this platform is the best platform you can use. This platform is the best platform you can use. You can see this place. This is what craigner. You have craindre here. You have craindre, which is the verb. So what you need to know about this craindre is that when you come to passé composé, the auxiliary verb you can use for it is avoir. You understand? Then the conjugation of craindre au présent is here, au passé composé, à l'imparfait, you have it here, futur simple, conditionnel, et puis subjonctif. You understand? So you can come here and practice quiz that as we did now. You can practice a lot of things about that conjugation. So any verb that you want to learn how to conjugate those verbs, just come on this platform, choose your class. When you choose your class, you can see the verbs. You have craindre, you have peindre, you have joindre, you have éteindre. You see all those verbs are here. And then if there's any verb that is not listed there, you can write the verb. For example, if you want to write verb manger, yeah, you can see it's written there. I can click on check, so you can see that's come here. So I will come down here and learn how to conjugate manger in different tenses. See, so this is the platform that can help you to master conjugation very well before you start going for your TCF exam. Any other challenges you are having in French, don't forget to write it in the comment section, or you will see my WhatsApp link in the description. Just click on it and then send me a direct message so that we can discuss about it, and then I will tell you what to do to solve those things. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.